Hello there, and welcome to MarkSharks. Parents, we have a message for you. Our kids study hard, and their school curriculum puts immense pressure on them to perform well. As parents, we still wish for our kids to do well in school and also have time to be kids. With school and busy days, that does not leave much time for them to do other things, leaving children with little to no time to do anything else. What if I told you that we can help your kids study effectively in less time and perform better in school and exams? We give you MarkSharks, an interactive e-learning app that is designed to help children learn concepts and retain them effectively. We achieve this by designing our app to help children through learning by doing. MarkSharks has multiple interactive games that help children learn concepts in a fun and engaging way. We understand that children learn better when they are having fun, and we use that philosophy in our app. MarkSharks covers the NCERT syllabus and has countless test and exam papers from past years, which we use in our learning module. This style of learning has proven to be most effective in helping children understand and retain concepts. To get a full walkthrough of our app, you can contact us on the link below this video. You can also download MarkSharks. Simply click the link in the description box below this video and you will be prompted to downloading our app based on your school year. So what are you waiting for? Get in touch with us at help@marksharks.com and download MarkSharks to see for yourself. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay informed on further content, lesson plans, and interactive activities in the future. Thank you for your time and see you soon. MarkSharks, learning by doing.